Makoba minya. Oh. Happy Mubarak. No stadium is a me phone. Me floor the na my free. I'm just started coming free, right? Okay, welcome back to Babayara Sports Stadium. Today is happening to be the 30th of March 2025. Ebre asa should be say Yedemoko in Crofama show through Asante Kotoko SC YouTube channel. And nti obeko YouTube app na so na fe wahwe search engine na what type in Asante Kotoko SCTV on YouTube and what you know na wa subscriber o subscriber e free nti ma obia mbo abem say Emma obia mbo abem say o subscriber e beti credit or bundle no. And then to over subscribe the Amayo Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. There were 3 matches today from the hour of 12 p.m. to the next 9 p.m. Name first game, Asante Kotoko SC Junior. And now the second team against Ahenema FC. And now another game, Jeremo and San and Nochino, Yashe Carver United. And so MTN FA Cup against Golden Kick FC. And then he said, what joining in our YouTube channel as well? The match between the young Porcupines and the Ahenema United. And the Honsam and the live commentary. So Eddie Ebrewo, goalkeeper Said Mohammed, original goal Simon, God bless Amwa, Luis Figo Kobina, Jordan Emisa, Addison Tachi, Isaka Abdul, Luis Asante, Nanaya Banahini, Nanaya Buahin Rada, Lawson Manu Jr., Pesmak Ofori, and the captain of the side, Avoka Writers. We any 11-man squad, young Porcupines, and so the Babishia, Ahenema United. In any case, if there will be a substitute, Osman Blackie, a goalkeeper, Clement Apia Kobi, Razak Dauda, Patrick Adabo, Andy Chomasi, Ali Mohammed, and Afe Solomon Kesa. Woman so a sub. Na in any change, the movie so to me about so I can see the threat man, the man in form, Luis Asante in number 10 jersey. I need Oko, the 3rd division, and so Wama more goals for Asante Kotoko. And baby, will be if you are around Kumasi or Asante region, dear. Ubetumi Ababe witness this particular game between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and also Ahenema United is between the young Porcupines and Ahenema United. And right after this, 3 p.m. na Carrera United, and so any Golden Kicks, and so Echimi Eti Abueni Ewo MTN FA Cup quarter final game. And on 7 p.m. that is the match of the week. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and so Ewo coming through Democracy FC from the Gamancha City, which is Accra, Tema. And I've been joined by Sports God Jr. making an initial comment kakrebi na fe yɛwura game na Kasanti baby will be around Kumasi and Asante region yɛbɛhɛ sɛ yɛbɛhia wa na fe maba witness all the 3 matches bako edinkan ahyase a nsa obama your comment baby ohwe ye free na fe wa like it na wa share first department of the game you hear 500 likes 500 likes and also 250 share na bibia aye kama nemom mamema Gideon upon Akwaba or United Kingdom, which is UK, and I think so a free year and so our UK Junior Sports God memo Akwaba na ene Asante Kotoko senior team bubble against True Democracy. Before that, Yebinya Carrera United, any golden kicker Omo eyi Accra Hearts folk and so edini free MTN FA Cup mu. The young Porcupines minim say wahwe on training from Adakojachi and wahwe on matches ahodoɔ ɛwɔ alignment ɛyɛ sofola alignment astroturf deɛ na wɔka afa match yi ho before say yɛbɛwura mu ɛwɔ live commentary feed no.
Okay, baby, meda was our akonya ade ama me. Say you share young Porcupines na ye send your can my home trainings I have matches by Ahenema for no me share omo training and as me share mo match be other. But we are here. We are here to witness a good game. We are here to witness a good game. Nti no match no e sha se enche ba afanu no nyina ebo bibi nti baby yem share be 15-20 minutes na hwede game ne beko.
Junior Sports Gardener waiting in Kano. Bono Ekita goalkeeper Ahenema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Seiju. Was a right back. God bless Amoa. Amoa control better for the Bono court center circle. True pass here, Juma. Nenso Yasan Arreteni. Nemon Bono say. Bono Babetru Besmak Ofori. Ofori Ama pass. The Porcupines. The young Porcupines era 18 boss Nemon Bono say yo. There was a blocking. Probably drew Ahenema Honeyman referee for the day. I say Bono ye offside in favor of Ahenema United. Opia to me ancient goal. Safe na wa join feed no our YouTube ne so a Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. More subscription, more likes, more share. Leave your comment and add your location. Bonikita Amoa, Wama pass, next to be and go through defenders of Ahenema United. A clearance name referee say Bono ye foul. Referee Abonapema je foul. More likes. You 79 likes. At the end of the first half, no, maybe to me, I'm 400 to 500 likes. Nafi, Mashe, Mamin Chiao. Icon, baby, I will be ano and then Michio Casepa. A bonnet tintin tram a trick combination, baby. Bonnet to me and Kobebia. A baby drew young Porcupine, number 17 Jesse, Lawson Manager, Junior the Bona Belchery, Wenya, God bless Amoa. I'm one Jina bonus Sedema, the young Porcupines, who bet to me on my pass, true pass a year, Juma, 18-year boss in the move, Nanso Debbie, Nanso Debbie. Isaka Abdul, what a glorious opportunity. Nemom went to me and for Bona and Tottenham. Bona bedroom number 4 just Sidima Ahenema United. What control our left wing on my pass. Passing and bounce it back. What you say Isaka Abdul, Nanso Debbie, Bona Berchiri, defender fantastic. What control for Fefe. What Isaka Abdul, what the Bona Bre Amoa. I'm more control for Fefe. Aside the Bona Quechiri. Here the Bona Assam Brainy Biemon. I'm more bet to me. Passing into me and Richie. Nemum Akoko D. Ahenema United. Assistant Live 1. Wabona Bemo de foul Eddie Ama Ahenema United. Live on YouTube. And it's Asante Kotoko SC. Obey to me and log in that fee. When I say chat room on. Any comment be a opesa oma nemom ye besre se o comment ni nyina be reasonable comment be no e be fa football ho nemom enye all that politics and insults yet to a game no so the man the corner be true Bismarck Ofori now so there be assistant like one or flagging for offside against the young Porcupine and then Pasto Bono Kwakweti right back Ahenema United. One more true pass, center second in Chama. Homo Chimiako, beautiful. Next to be a quaint woman, Bona Baby Drew defender. We Jamie Bona Confinfi, Warre Amoa. God bless Amoa. Amoa Genesis of Fefe. Rabana Kokoma Besma Ofori. Ofori Ama true pass into the 18 boss. Next to be Bonnie say the young Porcupines. What a goal! This is beautiful goal. Dunk. Asante Kotoko. The young Porcupines of the scoreline, and it's 1-0 in favor of young Porcupines. Oh, like it, not fair. Oh, shit. Now we leave a comment, you know. Now, I'm look at Yen Twasum from a captain of the side. Edema, Ahenema United. Long pass, Nanso goalkeeper. Seidu Mohammed. Obabe Chino, Fefe the Bono Akwechiri. True one of the Bonamba centre back. What you say? Lord Amona. Debbie. We a year. God bless Amoa. Nanso went to me and Jina Soma Boni a corner kick. Bono a corner kick. God bless Amoa for winning corner kick. Diama young Porcupine. And until meeting me who said best mark of 40. I don't know how could Jina Boni Chia say Obinian good kick to a good direction. A money young pass to the captain of the side. Edema young Porcupine. A vocal Nasodabi Bonnier side netting. A beautiful game by our standard. Vona watch in free Portugal, France, Italy, Germany, Faye, United States of America, China, Japan. We need your comment. Just share the link. Share the link as many as you can. Nafe wasanso ama likes no. Yentwa game no so informal. Bonikita, the young Kokopa, Nanko here, Avesen Tachi, Nasu Debi. Ama pass, Rabona Kokoma, Besama Kofori, Ofori, take on, Ofori, Nasu Debi. Bonantini and go through. Ababeti, Ahenema United, a control of FFOH, Rabona Kokoma, Debi. Inchimianko, number 4 Jesse, what no G, where you Captain Sir J, Raboni Quechiri, Nanka Ope, number 18 Jesse, Wanyano, what my long pass to a center back, Onosu, Ejinichina Bono Sunka Cran Crab, Rabona Quechira Kokomani goalkeeper, keep on so attending, or the Bonaba, number 18 Jesse, Obejina Swana. Ochina bono so when you good direction or my pass Nancy Debi Yabeji fluensem Nana Yao Boahin Baba G Hopo Vidiamanum Nanso what the bona Kokoma God bless I'm a pass the bona Kokoma Lawson Money Junior Ascended right signal. We're here captain on the side. A vocal, Obechimiako, a control 18-year boss Nechi, Bonnet Swekita, the young Porcupines, captain on the side. Nemo release it to the defenders. What ten if a fair bona bread, God bless Amoa. Champion 2, what I saw I'm a pass, Bonnet say, and a Swekita, the young Porcupines, true pass, and should be what a great save from goalkeeper the man, Ahenema United. Woman from Ekabako, Omonti, the young Porcupine, Ashabako, Ahenema United, community, Bono, that's why Peter, Asanya true, God bless Amoa Mas, na also say, Louis team, free Kiabo Edia, Ahenema United. In Fimponso, Pona Bebe drew 18 Bossuman and Sudebi. 11 minutes inside the first half. The young Porcupine won from Addison Techi, number 8 setter. Bueno and one yet only goal in the game. Eddie Ama, the young Porcupine. Yet was so Bonabedru captain Volcan so when Chimian Summer Pony welcome throwing yet to Edietia the young Porcupine. What tone of a fefe Ponabedru tree Nancy Debi Ahenema Elize Bonnie to Asante Kotoko. Me home this man of foreign so when Chimian cop Yasante Bonnie the friend in Symbium Bonabedru Ahenema United true pass Nanso assistant referee to as a game must continue. Name of Obama Bonnie, welcome go kick. Welcome go kick. Your body here, the young Porcupine. Young Porcupine Ashebako. Ahenema United entry enter canal. Tachi Addison. And we know the beautiful goal at the man young Porcupine. Defender fantastic. On the original bonus. The bonus confirm to say Lawson Manu Jr. Lawson Nanso. Yeah, the Lawson at former referee. Where you need your cardinal, the actual number 10 Jesse Dema, Ahenema United. First booking of the game up against Ahenema United. Lawson Manu Jr., a brilliant player and a skillful as he is. Nemom Odile Bono Soka Cranty. Yamani chance. Free kick. Yabobona Cocodru goalkeeper. The man number 4 Jesse Ahenema. Control number 18 Nankope true line pass. Nasobona into me and Richard number 7 Jesse. God bless Amwa. One more pass. The Bona Quetri. Bona Quaco drew Nana Yao Bohini. Bohini Bechumiako. Amwa pass Bona Ababe drew Ahenema United. Number 18 Jesse. Nenso Nana Yao Ababe Yibona their 2020. A welcome throwing. Welcome throwing here to Edietia, the Porcupine, the young Porcupine. Returning temper, Samabona Quetcher here, number 7 Jesse. Beautiful game. About Bona Baby through goalkeeper Saidu Mohammed. Mohammed Achibono Kukwa. Fe. Was say Nana Yao. Nana Yao. Bohene. Ojinabono Sedema, the young Porcupine. Or that time open the player or what good position. Yes, when you Lawson Junior, when I saw you have Bestmark my true pass, and so true pass wasn't the best. And until Bono a conchen baby cry. A conchen baby cry. Bono that's why I get Ahenema United. Bono ye corner kick here body at the young Porcupine. Bono ye corner kick. Corner kick here body at young Porcupine. Wama Sheba Kwama Ahenema United into Ahenema United at the former Kabakunamam corner kick. Saidu Mohammed. What a beautiful save. Atubono, she said, Nasser Bono Baby Drew, Isaka Abdul. Abdul the Bonako, Warrior Voka, captain at the side. Beautiful control. True pass to Bestmark Ofori. Ofori Ejina Bono so Arbona Betri Savo Kabiamonso. Yes, Arasua Kitabono 18 box Nanso Bono Efluencer a call Ahenema United. Yinga Obetumi I take it on. I take it on Nemom Center referee Bono AFL. Foul ye bo Edietia Ahenema United. Foul ye bo Edietia Ahenema United. 16 minutes inside the first department. The young Porcupine 1, Ahenema United 0. A goal from Addison, Techi, Bono Ekita, Nanayao, Jina Sofefefe, Nanayao Betumi de Bonaco. What she say, Volcano Tebi, Bono Ababidrechi, and Asua Kita, the young Porcupine, Asante Bonaco, come on, defender fantastic Nanayao, Nanayao the Ama goal scorer. Tachi Addison. Addison aside the bona command and Nayabium. Fanny the bona quetri. Nanko Louis Figo Cobna. Cobna ma long pass. Poneda Suekita. The young Porcupine. Left wing. Bediama. Left back. Captain of the side. What you say? Lawson Manu Jr. Jr. the bona Kokoma. God bless Amoa. Amoa ma pass. Poneda Suekita. God bless Amoa Nensedebi. God bless Amoa. Or shoot you from afar. Name him goalkeeper the man. Ahenema United. Wanya Bono Hubibia. Bono ye welcome. Goal kick. Live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Asante Kotoko AC. More share, more like. Now we'll leave a comment with your location. Bonnie Kita, Ahenema United goalkeeper. I'm a pass to the defender. Control every friend number 18 Jesse. Wash it 4 radar. 4 between Nanka or located number 7. Nancy when Jimmy and Kama Bonnie welcome throwing. Yeto Edietia, the young Porcupine. They are leading by 1 goal to 0. 17. Bonnie that's where kita goalkeeper Edima Ahenema United. A Sunday long pass Nanso. Bonnie to me Uncle Baby. Sam Dakon, this young Porcupine can even score. Okay, well composed, tactically disciplined, focused, and well prepared. I see number 10 in this match, Sammy Dakon from Santa Maria, Accra. Okay, Sammy, God bless you for your comment. Peter Yabua, I'm watching you live from Winneba. Okay, you're Fanti 40 now. This is Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. A match between the Porcupine Young or the Young Porcupine and Ahenema United. Nana Osei, the coverage is tough. Fabulous all the way. Nana say watching you from Japan. Okay. Asia 40 na ya chiamo. Moswa. Moshayen every a chichirine benchino. Na wamayo location. Na bibia to me kama. Young Porcupine 18-year boss. Born a bit to me right net. And so what a great save. This is great save. Great save by all standard. Solomon Yaboa, I'm watching you live from Italy. Verona. More fire. And I did fire emoji so Yao from Pong, great true pass. Okay, thank you for watching. Now on my more likes. Nana or say the sound is not okay. The sound is not all that stable. Okay. Technical team no be your hojima. IOP security, beautiful coverage. You guys are wonderful. Your coverage is way away from that. Those covering the GP. Okay, Bonnie a corner kick. Nemo temporary hold up. The keeper who did that marvelous save is on the turf. Ain't he? Team Dr. Bitumi Ashanam, Mustafa Zito. Zito, I'm watching you live from Malta, bro. Good job. Nana will say once again, please try to give us playback. Okay, yabai hojima. Solving. My name is Kwajo Jesse, watching you live from Italy. Residence. Okay. Yes, Machi. Losemenu hashtag number 17. More fire. NOD fire emoji and so etwa so share or comment with your location. Nafi Yahalao. Na bibia etumi aye kama. Great Alezwa. Koroko all the way by Great Alezwa. Kwaso. Okay. Usu yabua. Usu yabua. One also Eshayan from afar. I say watching you live from Italy, Napoli. The boys are very good. Dennis Amachi watching you live from Turkey, Istanbul. Kotoko till I die. Hashtag justice for Poli. Thank you. Frank Asari. The coverage is very okay. Bleh, okay. We are enjoying your live coverage from the United States, Maryland. Excellent work. Please continue. Alex Kwachi watching you from Abu Dhabi. Far Abu Emuye Deye. More fire. And I will send the fire emoji and so atwaso. Now yen continue on commentary and so on from on. Corner kick. Yeah body here. Ahenema United. They are down by long goal from Adixon Techi. Corner kick. Yeah body here. Ahenema United. This is shot one from the young Porcupine. He's swinging the Bayejuma. Wabo say Besmak Ofori ascended into the ATM boss. Next to be Avoka side of Bona Betri. Avoka true pass to Ofori. Nenso assistant referee one. A flag for offside. Number 7 Jesse for Ahenema. True pass. Nenso Debi. Nanayao is there. Nanayao passing out. Jeko Koma. Luis Figo Corbin. And to me, and go through my born here, throwing year to Edietia, the young Porcupine, Woman Shabako, Ahenema United, into me, anti George Riafe. We are enjoying your live coverage from the United States. Okay, thank you. Over your location, any comment, kama, Opokusam. I'm watching you live from Edmonton, Canada. Kotoko have to win tonight at all cost. Fabulous all the way. Okay, Lexex Chris TV. The boys are good. Thank you for your fire email. Strike of the moment. Luis Asante. The young Porcupine are still leading by 2 goals to 0. Abdul Isaka. We're making it to the young Porcupine. We're making it to Ediama Young Porcupine. Gabi TV, watching you live from Ely. Okay, Eric Nate. I'm Sir Eric from Akim Ekropon. The boys are good. Pray they keep the momentum to the senior team in the near future. MOTV. Okay, MOTV, watching you live from Tonga. Good work. Jess Machi once again. Bonnie throwing. Yeto Edietia. Ahenema United. Omeda from a come year no instrumenti. Goes from Addison Techi and Abdo Isaka. But the Bona Kokoma Nanayao Boahine. I'm a true pass. This could be a third goal. Nansudebi. There is no chance for Isaka Abdo. Goalkeeper the Ahenema United. Or the ball call right back. Obetumi ama pass. Ball da so kita. Ahenema United Alatani Bekase on backyard. Woman Kase Chiri. Goalkeeper the man. Ahenema United. Wama pass. Ball da so kita. Ahenema Neso Nanaya to Lewis Figo Corbina. Corbina send the pass. Nanko here Besma Kofori. Ofori Aje Wanya Nanaya. Nanaya ma pass. Bonnet so kita. Team Young Porcupine. Abdul Isaka. True pass. A goal. What a goal. This is one of the best goals. Yeah, what Tennessee ever the world of football. Another interesting thing is or say go anywhere, you know. Na the trademark from Kwame Poku Beye, the love emoji. And now say love symbol now yeah ewo a senior team no na Jordan Amisa. And so yeah, the same thing. Wama yehu ewo the young Porcupine 3, Ahenema United 0, goalkeeper Saidu Mohammed, a controversial first say, God bless Amoa, Amoa the Bona Quechri, Wahia number 17 Jesse, Lawson Manu Junior release captain of the side, Edema, Ahenema, Wahia number 7 Jesse, the left winger, Nanso when Jimmy and go through. When Jimmy and go through, I'm a bono, a offside. Offside here, body at here. Ahenema United. And Sempaso, upon the corner called left wing. And I swear, Kita, the young Porcupine. They are leading by 3 goals unanswered. Young Porcupine 3, Ahenema United 0. And this time is clear offside. Clear offside against the young Porcupine. Michael Asante. Are you guys going to show the FA Cup match? It's a question. We will answer. Prince also appear by next season. More than half of this youth squad should be in the first team. It is always an honor to have those players in the team. I know we won't be buying 8 players a season again. Okay, Bonikita, Avoka release it to the player. Nana Babaji, Nana the Bona Confinfi, Wenya Lawson Manu Junior the Bona Coachri, what we hear Luis Asante, Nansudebi, Bonin say, and I saw Kita, the Porcupine, Nansudebi, the young Porcupine into me, and the 4th goal. I think all the goals are not enough for the young Porcupine. Leading by 3 goals unanswered and still searching for goal. This is marvelous. Ponaba Bedru, God bless Amwa, Nanso Center referee. But he's still for infringement, which is foul against the young Porcupine. And Thempaso, where the Bona Quechre, the Akakoma, right back, young Porcupine. 4 backs in Juma, 3 backs so midfielders in so Juma Tintin. From onset, you can see Terrapati Afe. They are not lacking anything. True pass, accurate pass, Bibia Juma. Junior Sports God. Mamera on chain. The young Porcupine. Leading by 3 goals unanswered. Are you surprised?
Oh, baby, bona. Okay, baby, bona young Porcupine for any bono. Menya surprise. I wasn't Cassandra menya more than the 3 goals or metimashe. But I'm sure say at the end of the first half, no, or metimenya 2 or more. I can't be called bona or more bono as any. Sending our can more accurate pass, true passes. Players no dimin or bonus, no, I obvious said 3 goals, no, or metimi ashabrosa. And a utilization of chances soon here, send the Biamecano, and wait to utilize more chance. 3 goals in the first half. Me sɛ ɔmbɛtumi anya bi aka ho as far as the first half is concerned.
Junior Sports God now in Kano say I'm utilizing my chances, making it clear say I'm benya goals. And indeed, I'm on your 3 goals only from the first department and Sakra and Korea. And indeed, big ups to the young Porcupine. George Safo Vitus Avoka is a playmaker. Thank you. Samuel have been changed the scoreline for us. Oh, yeah, yeah, Sisana da. 30 minutes inside the first department. God bless Amwa. Amwa the bona kwechiri. What she say, Nana yao, Boahene, Esusane captain, Avoka the bona kakoma Besmark Ofori, Ama pass, Bonnet Asware Kita, Louis Asante right 18 boss, Nansu Debi, Yamano Koya, Chip on the face, Bona Baby Drew, another scaffoldman from Ahenema United. Warrior number 7 Jesse. Take on Betuma Yejuma. Yes. Watching Bako. Watching you know. Obetumi the Bonako. Where the Bono Abetri was to say number 19 Jesse. Captain of the side. One is Sababaji. True pass Beye Juma. Center circle. This is a long pass to right winger. Nasudebi. Lizzie Bonnie to Asante young Porcupine. Captain Avoka. Avoka Mapas Bonabechi, Bonababe drew Louis Asante side Bonaman, Captain Avoka, Avoka Bonaka, come Lawson Manu Junior Ma true pass. When echo, Bonababe drew, God bless menu, Obitumiako, yes, or the Bonaka, comma, Besmako Ofori, Nechina Bonaso, Nenso, release it to number 7 Jesse Adiama Ahenema United. A controversial Fedibona Kokoman left back. And also the cost center back. Bonnet Asuakita. Ahenema right back Obechumiako. For the Bonanam ring Sosa. Yes, a controversial Fefe. Obema true pass and distant run. Which is in a border soon crank cry. A Sandabona Konechi. Ahenema United. One that form a Kamiansa. Omuntumi Enti Mubako Kra. 3 goals unanswered. 31 to 32 minutes inside the first department. The young Porcupine 3, Ahenema United 0, Nana Yao. I'm a pass to Bismarck Ofori the Bona Betri, Luis Figo Cobina the Bonako. What to say, Iseka, Neso, Tachiba Chibono, or the Bona Quetri, I think, sir, referee Bamayan drop ball, Dennis Amachi, okay. Nana Ose, okay. Samuel Obin, okay. Lawson need to be called at the youth national team. Okay, thank you. Troopers, Nansudedi. Assistant referee 1. Wabona Bemaja of the young Porcupine. Omayan messages are na watching baby a Oshaye free. Samuel Obin, Mesrese Obasan baby. Samuel Obin or say Lawson. Okay. Lawson Manu Jr. need to be called at the youth national team. Okay. Your location should be added. Che Charles. Nice play from the players. Okay. Thank you for watching us on Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. Nana Kwame Owusu, please show us. Okay. Che Charles. Some players in youth young Porcupine should be called to national under 17 team. Thank you for your comment. Bonikita, a young Porcupine, so a boy and Kobe Bia, a welcome go kick. Bonia, welcome go kick. DNK TV. Okay. Yatamon Kampa. Yantoson from Joe Mount. European tour for okay. European tour for this young Porcupine will be a great exposure for them. Thank for your comment. And it's still live on Asante Kotoko XC on YouTube. We are live on Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. or subscribe na fe or my and share na leave a comment with your location. Nimant, please. Okay. George Safo, Vitus Avoka is a playmaker. Okay, I think I've read this. Niemante, Kotoko youth team is the best and they play beautiful football. Thanks for your comment. Wonder Boy, wow, fantastic striker, live from Paris, France. NOJ fire emoji so etwa so up. Justice Akoto Jemfi leave some of the goals for the senior team. Okay. I see nkwadaa no nyae goals ni bi na ɔmo mfa ma senior team no. Said Suleiman, the boys are good. Watching you live from Accra Airport Residential. Jay Smarchy, the boys are really good. Wow. Mustafa Zito, I'm watching you live from Malta, bro. Good job. Okay, DCLTV. Okay, Nanaya Brinya, more Alex Kwachi. Okay, the game is temporary. Hold up. Now, Yeka will say right after this game, exact 3 p.m. It's another great match or great game between Carrera United and Golden Kick FC. And then after that, on 7 p.m., Kumasi Asante Kotoko coming up against True Democracy FC. And you didn't need to miss this game if you are Asante region or near to Asante region, and even in the city of Kumasi, you can pass by and watch a quality football from the senior team Asante Kotoko against True Democracy. Born true, yeah, true Edietia, the young Porcupine, and some pass for Toma Bonnie Quetri, Nancy Debbie, and Linosaur Echo throwing Paul Odoy, fabulous all the way. Please, your location once again. Come again, please, Paul Odoy. Ajay Entry Richard, watching you live from Verona. Isola Dels K. Okay. Jay Smarty once again. Fire emoji with goal. Bono da Suakita, number 7, Jesse Dema, Ahenema United. Taking on Neso, Yamano Kwan, yes, Yamano Kwanimum, Bono da Suakita, Ahenema, 18 Boston Menso, Yayi Eddie Flu, Asamba Bedre, the young Porcupine. They are leading by 3 goals unanswered. Iswin Baye Chuma, Aye Chuma, Roy 18 Boston Mo, Ego, Nanso Debbie. Assistant referee 2 were flagged for offside against Ahenema United. They are down by 3 goals unanswered, and they thought this could be a chance and a clear chance for them to take 1 out from the 3. Nanso Omukona Entumi Anstandinti. The scoreline still remains the young Porcupine 3, Ahenema United 0. Saidu Mohammed, goalkeeper, Ohene captain, Avoka Vitus Avoka, or the Bonako, Warrior number 10 Jesse, Luisa Santana, Asante Kotoko, Bonada Suakita. The young Porcupine, we have 5 minutes to end the first proceeding, 40 minutes inside the first department. Young Porcupine, what a goal! Young Porcupine. I can see Amos Frimpong Olomo, former Asante Kotoko captain and a player. Amos Olomo Frimpong. I can see he is happy now. Young Porcupine 4, Ahenema United 0. What a great game. Young Porcupine 4, 2 goals from Asante. He scored the first goal and added the fourth goal. Great work from the young Porcupine. Bonababe drew Ahenema United with a Mona Kokoma 18 Jesse. A control for Fefe drew Enchumianko. Neso Bonababe drew Abdole Saka. Referee said Yentua game in sir. Bonnet as well kita. Ahenema United left back. A control for Fefe. Obema long pass Nenso. Yedi Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Addison Techi out of form. And referee I was still at the foul. Foul against Ahenema United and name of game on a temporary hold up. Addison Techi at the so other form. Name of team Dr. Eshano. I feel now what joining field now. More likes. Not your name. Likes in a year 150. Na Ocean so every amaye. Your commentator for the day, as usual, is Baby Rooney alongside Sports God Jr. Sports God Jr., a student from Senior High School, the champions of Asante Region Inter-Schools competition, or the Inter-Schools competition. Bono Aye welcome throwing Yeto Edietia Ahenema United. Watone tintin ma Bono Kwechiri Apabe True Nana Yao Watemo de Bona Kokoma. God bless Amoa. Amoa ne Jina Sonenso de be born a true against young Porcupine. Born a true young Porcupine 4. Ahenema United 0. The young Porcupines 4. Ahenema United 0. Born at Suakita. Ahenema United Nanso. Referee Abuna Bema de foul. Referee Abuna Bema de foul. Yetia Abdul Isaac. Referee Abuna Bema de foul. Yetia the young Porcupines. Goalkeeper Saidi Mohammed, or the Bonako Commander Captain, and Vocal Vitas, and also ascending long pass. Olua Lawson Manu Jr. Another brilliant goal from Lawson Manu Jr. This is goal. This one we call football or soccer. What a goal. Sports God Jr. How do you see Lawson Manny Jr. and his fifth goal for the young Porcupines?
Yeah, baby Lawson ayɛ adwuma soronko. Onya decision ni o decide ball no ansa na ɔbɛbɔ na ɛyɛ superb goal from Lawson. Yɛmbɔ Lawson aba so sɛnea mɛka kyerɛw sɛ at the end of the first half na ɛyɛ 3-0 na young Porcupine ahyɛ mmienu aka ho ampa ɔmatumi ahyɛ mmienu aka ho a first department of the game no kora enya nkɔ na ɛwieɛ ɛyɛ young Porcupine lead by 5 goals unanswered ɔmɔmɔde mbɔ no aso ani and mesa ball loss na ba so once again because the decision na a superb decision and a spectacular goals na loss in share no oni.
That is spectacular goal from Lawson. Lawson Amekino 5. This is the game. The young Porcupines are cooking. Lawson Manu Jr. Yanko fans anymore. Na yɛhwɛ yɛbɛnya comment baako mmienu bi a Biggie ɛkɔ fans nim. Biggie ɛbɛkɔ fans nim na yɛne na didi nkɔmɔ a na yɛhwɛ sɛ how our expectation no ɛteɛ. First department of the game. Biggie between kakra. First goal from Techi Addison and no actually Abdul Isaka and so Etwaso Addison about the third goal. Saranso Ena Jordan Esiama and a fee Lawson Manu Jr. and so Eddie Bako Ekaho into the young Porcupines 5. Ahenema United 0. This is end of the first half. Young call for fans and also reaction. Nti Biggie Obesomo.
Senior Masomo I say Chama Alex. First half, young Porcupines are 5. Ahenema and Timan Shebi. There are no thoughts on the game.
Maybe I didn't just call line. But me here in Clancy, Mr. Bobo, and Kotoko Dashi. I didn't manage to get a in fact, it seems I'm watching them for the first time. Once more games, normally, weekdays into Nana, yes, and the quarters and another and Timmy. And I'm watching them for the first. We are Kaime, Kalilu, Mohammed Mutam. Once in there will be what I say. Mutawakiru, go keep a tin. Then I'm near about. I mean, United match be quite recorded on Moko. I can work Kotoko to be 5. I've been a million and many papa and Kanye just wouldn't be in Casua you apart from going on all virtual holiday. No, but I say, you commanded or come more goals. Maniaji. The spirit is being inculcated to these boys, and I'm very happy. I'm telling you, Sam Krobi, Sunday, you be more cold with a promotive acquisition now. Better.
Chairman, what's a Akraba could be out in for Bonnie Dean, loss. And overshare the cacre, then I'll cafano.
Lost near boy, I mean, minimum that all. For us, me bounce above all. Until lost in the playmate, until lost in the Akrami now, also maybe a walk boy. Also, the meaning of no loss, lost in her bar, no fashion, no. Others, and to me, what I mean, minimum year, and I know the minimum and me and everyone become my friend several times. And he a very good player, as well as the rest of and his team members, no. And the main cancer got to hold that. Yes.
And then the first time I heard young Porcupine for no. Then who are ammonia at your home.
In fact, me and then the first time I saw my share 20 minutes be happen. But net it's very impressive performance from goalkeeping to the last player. In fact, me who baby I'm so forward to. In fact, almost coaches no crown, almost to one or more show. In fact, if say to associate there, then they have places to go.
5-0 first half. Now Jane say seeing a Bekwana.
Well, in fact, almost at say game no. Then we say almost win, but and net more goals like the team. I expect to say on be be home. But me your coach Ukraina and can make out from say goals no more entertaining soccer and entertain fans. I'm about Baba Yara.
Senior Medasi. Franca. What the only crying and then I'm crying.
Many the because once I'm calling no man a coba. And then so my first time almost started Division 3, no first time I'm Baba Yara. Nessa, my first time no more to me go say mamma. Many aji mom because there be an yana tia omo. Yana uncle ya cow money, but an any sequoia or some bomb bus. So ya Ahenema first leg no, ya saw me 1-0 na a more ding. No more but and then so no much some with him baby no, and then so now uncle and ya more goes. Wait till I say your best supporters no. Omumla no measure boys no na senior chama kan mesre goals me and make say over 5.5 yeah ka more entertainment football na yeah no mo born alignment no and then ko mo my next goals ni ba so mo mama over 9.5 krana mesom
but I so fraga
but my member lost in abaso in fact akrana say brilliant goal make me aka say best goal of the tournament any tournament ni nyina ye boni nyina no make me aka say san goal we say no eh best goal wa wo hwe bia no kokotoko YouTube na kokojwe goal ni yesa bia ye joy anum se aka say nkola ni nimbo obo nyesa bia team no ye de antina ye so ati ase nti ya besre momla no me support na bibia nya
Kotoko YouTube no
First of all, me fan chia e ma Kotoko ebusia fo nyina. Unim say nkola yi bi kan ye no mo alignment ye no mo na we. Matches to the be ankoye to be ekoye. Supporters no.
wait
Junior. Kaje fura. Kaje fura second half be. Yeah, second half yeah. Junior. Friends man be John man. What does it? What's it okay? Don't be so what here any man for no. But how bala ko for the border. Which way be 11.
What's the penalty? Any other supporter?
I'm gonna just say Wednesday. Wednesday, yeah. Wednesday, Wednesday, class. Mini class. Wednesday, I'm one for Clamity. Pablo, the best. Batches defense and you. I'm attacking you. The two chairs. Defense, one baby on the town. I have on your flag. It's a kind of David, on confession about the most cash out and to talk for him. I'm sure it's one day. I'm going to go and find a second one. What's in the buy? It's out of you.
Now we need banana. Like seriously.
from this freshers game, the young Porcupines against Ahenema United. 5 goals in the first half, and we are still continuing. 5 goals from Tachi Addison, Isaka Abdul, Lawson Manu Jr., and also Louis Figo, goalkeeper the man Ahenema United, and so other former team. Yashana Kakra. We are live on YouTube. Asante Kotoko AC. More subscription, more like, and more share. You can leave your comments with your location. Nafi, Halloween so Eddie Amamo. Thomas A. Jane. Silverline alignment. Silverline aspirative is too small for the young Porcupines. Okay. Thomas A. Jane, where the location is so Ebeka Wamba. Ebenezer Eddie. Okay. Ebenezer Yati. Kasinya Martin. Who is the okay, and also Yarebe Bremer. Ajemanjia. They should now play a good game to entertain the supporters. 2 minutes inside the first half, the second half rather. Young Porcupines 5. Ahenema United 0. Young Porcupines are 5. Ahenema United in Tumi Enshabi. This is Baby Rooney alongside Sports God Jr. And also our technical director is Richard or Richie. Goal kick, yeah, body here. The young Porcupines. Goalkeeper the man Ahenema United. I don't know China Bonechi. A ball every center back. And also a late pass in the two and so. Opia one to Mianka. Bonnie welcome throwing. Yeto Edietia. The young Porcupines. Turn the first number 18 Jesse. And also I'm a pass. Bonnet as well guitar. Ahenema United. I'm a right team Boston and Shady. No connection. Bonnet drew Jordan Emisa. Emisa Avoka Vibe. Avoka I'm a pass. Long pass and so Opia one to me and Kenty. Bono a welcome throwing. Welcome throwing. Thomas again, thank you very much. Mikachiro said, Corner Brabby, I'm watching you live from Tema Community 6. Thanks for watching. Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. Achimendia, okay, also I think I've read this. Now a second half. Eric Opoku Bisase, a first half and a baby. We are into the second half, which is the second department. The young Porcupines. I'm going to say 5. I'm a Ahenema United in 20. Number 5 JC. I'm going to pass. Next to the be born in Chimianko. Bobby through Jordan Amisa. True pass to the danger man. Abdul Isaka. A control for Fefe. Abdul Isaka. One more pass. Bonnet a Swakita. Alison Tachi and Chimian Franco. Ababi Drew, Ahenema United. A Bonnie Tumness, captain at the side. At my young Porcupines. On my passing into Mianco. Assembled run number 5 Jesse. At the man, Ahenema United. On a set of Bona Coachre and a center back. Here on to form a referee, Abona Burma the foul here. The young Porcupines. Referee Abona Burma the foul here. The young Porcupines. Yet what game in so born about be true. Ahenema United and so assistant referee 1. Wapona Bemo anti throwing the Ahenema United. Throwing baby free kick rather. Jebody here. The young Porcupines, number 5, Jesse Dima, Ahenema United. One original Bonechi. And Fempaso, Wapomi Trickle, should be goalkeeper Saidi Mohammed. Timing very, very good. Bonnie Conchenti, a welcome goal kick. Bonnie, a welcome goal kick. Jebody here, Ahenema United. Watching my team. The goals is okay. They should play pack to pack. Okay. Thanks for watching. Body Mensa TV. Right, rest. Watching you from Paris, France. Thanks for watching. Gabriel Mensa. Play FA Cup today. Yes, please. Monaco is playing against True Democracy. Into Gabriel Mensah. Baby, I will be over to me about Baba Sports Stadium. What be witnessing game and 7 p.m. today. And then you will answer no. Isaac watching you from Tabere Sunyani Road. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bonababe Drew, Lawson May Jr. Take on Obechimi de Bonaco. Lawson passing it to me and go through. Akokoti, captain on the side. Ahenema United. Nenso Debi. Went to me and Fabona and Kwama Boni, welcome through him. Yet to Edietia, the young Porcupines. Leading by 5 goals to unanswered. Captain on the side. Watch number 5, Jesse the man, Ahenema United. Wasan so the ball up today. Neso Abuka Babaji. Yet not from assistant referee 1. While flagging for foul against Ahenema United. Live on Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. Keep on subscribe. Nafi. Share link, share the link. Now on my comment with your location. Bonakita, the young Porcupine, Luis Asante, true pass, Neshadebi, goalkeeper. What a great save from Ahenema United goalkeeper. Watch a ball of a fair for 16-yard box line of Chappelle. Arbona man center back, Arbona call left back. And also Ekita Bodemoa. Nenso what leads you to the young Porcupines. Amara Etienne Bosinamo. This could be a 6th goal. Nenso Debi. Born into young Platinum. Apaba Drew. The young Porcupines. Nana Abitunia Jana. Yes. Defensively, Nenso release the ball to Ahenema United. Woman Ekona. Abitunia Kwana. Long pass. Passing into Niakonia. Asamba Betru, young Porcupines, Nenso, Ahenema Fabachi, Nana Yao, Buahin, Okati Bonenso, Yajidia Freedom Sam, Boneda Suakita, Ahenema United, Nemom, Avoka Beji, Waje, Yedonato Farmer Referee. Referee Bema the foul here, Ahenema United. Good afternoon, guys. Watching you live from Abu Dhabi. Okay, 10 minutes inside the second half. Asante Kotoko 5, Ahenema United 0. Nana you're born into goalkeeper Seidu Mohammed. Arbona congratulations, Luis Figo Kobina the Jinabonechi, true pass, and it's another long pass to Abdul Isaka engineer Jinabon Cinnamon. A time intervention throw in against Ahenema United. Throw in against Ahenema United. And it's attacking throw in. Obed Ejare Let's go, young Porcupines. Thanks for watching. Please, your location, Obed Ajare Kamakin, Ediad Asha Doman, watching you live from Anum Eastern Region. Zipline. Okay. Thank you for watching Asante Kotoko SC on YouTube. What a great save now should be born to me and platinum about the group Besma Kofori Kofori Leginaso True Pastor Juma Isaka. What a great goal. Nice goal. Bono Aye goal. The young Porcupines are 6. Ahenema United Intimate Team Bakukra. What a goal. A goal from Louis Asante. Abdul Sakarada. Abdul Isaka. 2 goals for an unconcerned record. For the first time on Barbera Sports Stadium, sir, Amubabinya, a match like this, and it's MTN FA Cup Day. NT, they are setting the pace for the senior team, which is Asante Kotoko, on 7 p.m. So if all teams be equal, this is how the Red Devils, I call them, the Porcupines Senior, are going to give it to the true democracy. If all things being equal, say na Asante Kotoko, Ebabe Massacre, true democracy. Yet to a game, Bonikita. Ahenema United, number 8 Jason. Operesa, where the one question, warrior goalkeeper, keeper control the Fefe. On the side of one the right back, Bonnet Kita, Ahenema United, woman that form a car back up in Sia, Avoka, captain of the side. Rabona Kakama, God bless Amoa, my pass, Bonnet Kita, Best Michael Foley, Obetimia shoot 2, National Best mark of number 19 settled man. Oboyna show born engineer and Tottenham. Young Porcupines Emeki first substitution, 2 players at a time. And who is coming on? Now when so and a Kojina homie. I can see Isaka Addison said maybe Obetumi and Babontini. Players are looking at me at the commentary position. Until on Jesse numbers, attend it to me. Mensa Eric, watching you live from Katariga, Tamale. Okay. Katariga, Tamale. Okay. Amoroso Cars, watching you live from Germany. I think young Kotoko will still score more goals. Thanks for joining. Okay, young here changes in Infamano. Solomon Kesa. Jordan Emisa out. Solomon Kesa in. Saranso Ena. Andy Chumesi in. Avoka Vitus out. Avoka Vitus out. Andy Chumesi in. Okay. No, let me make these changes for you. Tachi Addison out. Andy Chumesi in. And I think the general captain is on. So Avoka, I will say, assistant near memo, true pass to Avoka, Nansodebi. Went to me and Conemon Bonnie a corner kick. Corner kick here, body here. Ahenema United, they are down by 6 goals unanswered. very interesting. The young Porcupines are cooking at Baba Sports Stadium this afternoon. Corner kick once again. Yeah, body at here. Ahenema, body in Tempaso. Buona Babedre, na Crocodile Louis, Nasabi. Yachi Free Sam, a Babedra Ahenema, a Foka Babaji, Wama pass, Rema Senior most of the Tumiako, Nasabi, one Tumian corner to the Free Sam, number 11 Jesse, Edema Ahenema, true pass. This is an accurate pass, Nasabi. One to me and yet the strikers work, captain. Solomon Kesa, Babaji Bono, Bono Quechi, Bono da Suerkita, young Porcupines, Solomon Kesa, long passing on, and to me and Rochi, Luis Asante, throwing it to the young Porcupines, number 11 Jesse, Fefe, every man. Ahenema, Bono Kokoma, 5 Jesse, Bono show her right back, striker between me, Jinaso, went to me and call. I'm a referee assistant line 1. Abona Bemo announces a flag for offside, foul rather against Solomon Kokwisa. Here body at here, the Porcupine, the young Porcupines. 61 minutes played inside the second half. Young Porcupines 6, Ahenema United 0. Free kick number 11 Jesse. Probably three criminals should be. Point to me and Kabia. Probably true. Yaji the Fredison. Point about the true. Ahenema United. 1 to 4 Jesse. Surgeon Nationally. Point on Kabia. Asamba Drew. Goalkeeper Edema young Porcupines. Seydou Mohammed. Richard Bonaso, Ramona Quechira Kwakama, Luis Figo Kobina ma pass, Ramona Quechiri, Bonabe Drew, Voka, Ramona Quechiri, Kokomani defender, Nana. And I'm between the Bonaco. Yes, or send a right back. One of the circuiter. God bless Samoa. Side Bonacocoma, Nana boy. Boy in the Jinaso. Long passer now. Watch the share. Kwekisa. Side Bonaco right back. Warrior God bless Samoa. I'm on the Jinaso the man. The young Porcupines. They are leading by 6 goals unanswered. One of the circuiter. Best Macofori. And Bonaco actually. Baby Drew, hey, young Porcupines. God bless Samoa. I'm one to me and come. Referee assistant line 2. Wabana Bemo anti foul. Assistant line 2 a flagging for foul against the young Porcupines. In Tempaso Bona Babiji, Ahenema United center back. The Bona Kokoma left back. Jina Sunka Kranka. Tiny beautiful. Or the Monaco 18 and boss Simon, Kakomani defender, or Shana right back, Obetumi Aquana, Nansu Debi, Yatidia Frinisem, Bona Baby Luis Asante, you say Lawson Manu Jr., Nansu Debi, Bona Tumianko, Ababe Drechi, Nanaya, Boahinen, referee, Abanabe Mante forward Yatia, Nanaya, Boahinen. Referee Abona Bermanje forward here, Nanaya Oboya. 65 minutes inside the second half. Young Porcupines 6. Ahenema United 0. Luxon release it to Ahenema United referee. True pass to the edge, man. Yes, Arbona Kokomani goalkeeper. Goalkeeper and swap ball. High boots. About the Seydou Mohammed, goalkeeper, the young Porcupine. What two elders, Vitus, Avoka, Ejina Bonus, the young Porcupines. Beautiful control. Arbona Quantriga, Nanaya Bohim. Boyne at the Bona Quetri, Nako Lawson Manu Jr., Nationally, that Jibonia Furniture, Bona number 5 Jesse, one more long pass to the call left wing, Ahenema United, one with a form a car Bako in Sia, a Montiminti Mubako crowd, Bona drop for Cancer, watching chance Swama body true. Throwing Yatu Editia. Throwing here to the Ahenema United. Throwing here to the Ahenema United. Someone to put point. Guys must be serious throughout the 90 minutes. They have to create the fear factor from now. They have a great future and they need to be probably oriented well. I am happy for our youth team. Thank you. But one for location and come Samuel Opokwajima. Obebe with your location. Nafi Yatwaso di Amamo. Live on YouTube. Asante Kotoko AC. O subscriber. Na o share link on. Nafi on my comment. Na watch and baby. Owusu Kwesi, good afternoon guys. Watching you live from Apuri Diaby, Aya Police Station. Good work done. Thank you, my God. Ajemandia, they should now play good game to entertain the supporters. Okay. Thanks. Goes in the Dawson. Yeah, Twasho, true pass. Assistant referee to Aflage, offside against the young Porcupines. Sports God Jr. Mamima Chen, second department. Kotoko is leading by 6 goals to unanswered. What expectation?
Okay, maybe also the about second department of the game. Ahenema for no so 8 me elbow BB. But Kotoko for no as a forward say or met me a shabby account. This is second department of the game. A young Porcupine for no and you go back county. I'm more share that I'm bet me as a back and I'm creating a lot of chances. So yeah, chance to get a bit on your bed. Account come over the mono.
Mono was through and only in some kakra. Yenso yetimi awitness wa. Bonada Swan Ekita, the young Porcupines 18 year boss woman actually born a content cry into a welcome go kick. Born a welcome go kick. The young Porcupines still leading by 6 goals unanswered. Indeed, these guys are doing a wonderful work. Ebenezer Edu, please, okay, we will do it for you. Kwesinya Martin, more likes, more likes, more likes, more likes. Yepe 250, Yanya 211. Nafe Muama Basulina Monka 584. More likes, more likes, more likes, more likes, more likes, more likes. Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko XC on YouTube. On subscribe, nafe, on like it, nabibia ya kama. You're talking to some family. Corner that's work it out. Captain of the side. Edema Ahenema X United. Ahenema United rather. Naso born into me and Korea. Ababedrechi. And I swear kita Ahenema move to me a control corner sport in the one a control beautiful one my pass Naso stand like one after like before offside against Ahenema United. 17 minutes inside the second department. It is still young Porcupines 6. Ahenema United 0. Young Porcupines Ashe 6. Ahenema United into the team of Bonada Swakita, the young Porcupines. Rabona Kwechin, God bless Amoa. Nemo, yes, Amoa Rabona Bre, Lawson Menu Jr. Junior Sadia Kokoma, God bless. Ama true pass and uncle, center bottom. What Rabona Kwechin, Naso, what a beautiful game from number 3 Jesse. Luis Figo Kobina, Arbona Brennan Koki Pasini Mohammed Aboma Trikoyum, born and say it, and a Suakita, the young Porcupines, Hombetunia Kwana, number 18 Jesse, Oma Pass, Andy Chumesi, True Isaka Abdul, National Debbie. National Debbie, assist from Abdul Isaka. Naso, the final third wasn't that good. Energy born into me and Tottenham from Andy Chemesi. What a great performance from young Porcupines. Enche na coach. Ayan say the Hope brand. Enche na Dauda Razak. And I fail number 14 just Honesu Etimia Baba Twasu. Number 14 Jesse Clement Apia Kudus Mo Kudus and I say Dauda Razak Vraiment everything I'm able to give in the the young Porcupines right 18 about minutes to be born into the uncle and a welcome go kick. Bonnier, welcome, go kick. Bonnet as well, Peter. Ahenema United. Woman that from a car. A Siamo Wintimate team will be crowd. I turn the very bottom of Preachly. Referee Abanadema get foul. Referee Abanadema get foul. More lights. You can 300 lights. They got 254. 254. And until Mumaya 270. Nafe Yentuaso. Corner Peter. Luis Asante. Long pass. Nanko here. Pona be Dradrana, Jabilas, Arbona Kokoma, Mokudu, Clement Apia Kudus, Nanso Bonen to me and Tottenham, Clement Apia Kudu, aka Kudus, one to me and for Bonen Tottenham. Bono Aye Welcome Cookie Clement Apia Kubi 14 shuttered man aka Mohammed Kudus Onya clear cut chance Nemo ball direction or entry and Koyama and until Bonnie a welcome go kick and it's temporary hold up. Yeah, sir. You better me acknowledge Mosumaka. Bewa Ajaman, bravo. Richard Ajakum, nice coverage. Thank you. Wisdom Pa Sanko. What time was Asante? Okay, Asante Kotoko game at 7 p.m. today. Asante Kotoko game at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. I think I bet we see Mensa and Nicole and Pam, and so I highlight to her. And baby, I will be able to me about Baba Sports Stadium. Patricia, back to 4, more food for you. Okay. Frankie Darling. Giorno at Solomon Issa. Opoku Eric. Okay. Your messages now. Patricia, about to 4. I'm proud of you guys. Thanks for watching us. Patricia, about to 4 for location brand. Justice Cross, I'm watching you live from Dortmund, Germany. Thanks for watching. Yentro game in the song from Bonikita Apia Kobi, aka Muhammad Kudus. Naso, what the one on Cockatoo. Nemo Louis Figo coming a Cockatoo. Louis Figo coming a Cockatoo. I don't see Enchebiana Patrick Adabon Subaba Twasoriama Voka, yes. Patrick Adabo Ababe Ragin Patrick Adabo Warrior Mohammed Kudus Clement Apia Kudus Warrior corner kick Ediama. The young Porcupines also 6. Ahenema United into me and shake. Omontiminti Mubako Kra. Omontimi anti Mubako Kra. Omontiminti Mubako Kra. Corner kick. Yeah, body it's here. Ahenema United. Corner kick, yeah, body it's here. Ahenema United. And Tempaso Wabame Tricurium. Naso, yeah, you born in your floor. Bono Ababe Drew, Ahenema United. Bonusia Tum Ametricurium. Naso, Lost in Abachi. The one up Warrior, the boy between our oh, what a chance! Young Porcupines, Naso, Yati Bondia Fluence, Ababe Drew, Ahenema United. We listen to Clement Apia could be more good. What a chance! What a one up Patrick Adabo, Naso, Yajidia Friends. Pona Babe Drew, Ahenema United, number 4 Jesse, beautiful play, 1-2 near Juma, Nemom Omodeka, Bako, Insia, Omontiniti Mubakoka, goalkeeper the man Ahenema Watene referee Abana Bema the foul there man Ahenema United 3 p.m. There is another match between Karawa United and Golden Cape, and on 7 p.m. Asante Kotoko is coming up against True Democracy. We have done 80 minutes inside the second half, 10 more minutes to go. Porcupines, Ahenema captain, Amaparas, the Bono Queche, captain Betuniako, a control beautiful, true pass, referee said, Yantua came in a Bono Tunian Colegia, Asamba the true young Porcupines, nationally, Yatidia Fluencer, Bono Baby number 18 Jesse. Andy Chumesi, Obechumiakwana, Nansudedi, Kwana Chumianko, about the Drew, Ahenema United. Solomon Issa, I'm watching you live from Bologna, which is okay, Bologna. Thanks for watching. Eric Opoku, Eric, watching you guys from New York. Thanks for watching us. Thank you. Now more subscriber. It's what Kwesi, more goes. Dr. Baumiamba, watching you from United States of America, USA. We need more subscription. Sarah Suna, Paul Otoy, the boys are good. Paul from Suhum, thanks for watching us. Ajan Prince, watching you live from Mount Pond. Okay. Abua, Kuma, Nana, watching you live from Namirigu, Northeast region. In Cancer, Augustine, thanks for watching us. Asante Kotoko, youth team, which is young Porcupines, 6. Ahenema United, 0. Ahenema United, 0. Focus Media Awards 2025. Your baby woman, a man in your voice, in your shots, in your ears. Baby Rooney, and your nominee for Ashanti Region Best Commentator. And Ubetumi Ahalaya Nabibia Jumia Kamakama. Short code in here, star 426 star 60 hash. Now I enter nominee code now a capital T, capital F 5644. Nominee code in here, capital T, capital F 5644. Nafi, why enter number of votes? 1 vote is 1 city. Into any day, I think say F for crowd. More UK, more US of A, Pornikita, Abdul. Ego. Patrick for Abdul Isaka. Hat-trick for Abdul Isaka. And it's 7 against Ahenema United. Young Porcupines are cooking today. With the Maminko Akamuka, Ebeye Aben Kwaipa Sanse. Today is Sunday. I see Munja go ni be man paying for no. Okay, that's it. Thomas J watching you live from Tama Community 6. Okay. Ajimandia. They should now play good game to entertain the supporters. Erunti Obeboye na Yetumi Remo Best Commentator 2025. Eric Asiedu Baby Rooney on short code star 426 star 60 hash. Now I enter nominee code near capital T, capital F 5644. Now I enter number of votes. Now fe what confirming vote no. Now what remo umomo pin all network. na bibia tumi aye kama voting na shase enenti obetumi aye ne saa na de aboye 7 goals against Ahenema United from young Porcupines. What a great game. They are creating a pace for the senior team, Asante Kotoko. 85 minutes played inside the second half. Bonikita, Kwekuabisa, Wama pass. Warrior Luis Asante control the Fefe, true pass Ayejuma, Bechumi Akwana, Bonababe Drew, Patrick Kadabo, Nasulebi, Yachidia Frinisem, assistant referee 2, Waflagi foul against young Porcupines. Waflagi against young Porcupines. Patrick Bartufo, okay. More food for you. Patricia Bartufo, okay. Richard Ajekum, honestly, nice coverage. More likes. Enti mo comment section no. Mube to me my best player and I say MVP. Most valuable player for the day between the young Porcupines and Ahenema United. Wisdom Bar Sankwa. Okay. Prince. Nice, Sunman. Okay. My name is Prince from New York. Bronze. More fire. Okay. So our bronze there, my young one can now vote in the star 426 star 60 hash na wayanta nominee code capital T capital F 5644 na wayanta number of votes na fe watu di ama Eric Asiedu Baby Rudy Focus Media Awards 2025. Who is your best player between young Porcupines and Ahenema United? What a goal! What a clinical finisher from Ahenema United, and it's 7-1. What a beautiful goal! Look at the goal. Look at the finishing. He controlled the defenders and on making sure sir the left foot now the best foot now ever right in the team our score sheet in so the score line is changed now. Young Porcupines 7, Ahenema United 1. What a game. Mami share comment anymore. Nami was a young best player and Ahenema best player overall match. You know, one of your best player Isaac Owusu Kotoko is my DNA. Okay, God bless you for making this comment. But one come be free. Dominic Boateng, please, how many minutes played so far? 88 minutes played. Yabo watch Akasima Mierope. Now proceeding to my baby. Nana young prayer. This man was say update here. 83 minutes. Appear cool someone. Probably should have watched this team flourish like this before his death. Now so we do phobia and man of crime. Okay, thanks for Kwame Emma Bless is schooling the young from Okes. No, please. On your Okes player now, Mr. Rawad. Okay, a former player and a student Edema Okes. But now when you hold him, I think say this is different kiddies. Name wako school or Okes Spain. Name you know everywhere. Who is your best player? Referee actually the game in a Baba Sports Stadium. Young Porcupines, Eshe 7. Emma Ahenema United. Etimi Timo Bako. Seidu Mohammed. God bless Samoa. Luis Figo Kobina. Jordan Amisa. Addison Tachi. Abdul Isaka. Luis Asante. Nanaya Boahin. Lawson Meno Jr. Bismarck Ofori. Avulka Vitus. And the Chimesi Solomon Kokwisa. Patrick Adabo. Razak Dauda. And Clement Apia Kuli. Mo Kudus. One more ever to a game in the Swa. Enti game on Aberia Nemon Ninja Masa. Oh, here I go Pramana Swa. Only say Tim Nimianina Young Porcupines. Any Ahenema and show a bumpire for fair Junior Sports Club. Game on Ectumia Baby.
Okay, Master 7 goes to 1. Now I said I move as a man of the match at Bema Why. Per my point of view here, I'm the goal scorer Isaka Abdul because we're team about hat trick this game as a striker. So no, the baby both the legs and in it, you know, we're team in the Tia Shabako and or the 9 so Ashemianu. Yabada obi biara se senior mama agokense no aye nika na ahwe field no so no after the full time no omunyina ekabom ebompa. This means that there is unity between both sides. Ebebo kotokofo young Porcupine for ebebo mabaso ewo dwuma die sronko a omedi entino yebeda obi biara se debi yebeda obi biara se.
Okay, yebeko fans anymore so na yeah, reactions kakra through the fans. Young Porcupines SH7 Ahenema United Etimo Bakope Biggie Mayentio
and what about how money be? Their new impression about the game.
I'm saying I'm quite my monitor more from afar. If you're more Facebook, yeah, by any day. Now I say I bear me tea. Any concern me and I say I was a bomb more than number here. Number here, in fact, more impressing me so much. They are very good. Maybe now first no now no. I'm penny for the boy under 24 getting razor. And no Ebuama supporters in it can back as an abab no. And I think say we start here ni say no Ebeboa. We need third division and no more there by the American sample for introduce us at there. Yeah, Bebo league match be under 20 nini kind and more. Now Enfa supporters in there Emra Park. I think it's a stadium attendance. Ebeboa, but no more impressing me so much. One game no share 7 goal 7-1 there. I think say I was say your ball on my basso on my yard.
Chama say the okay I say a boy man crying but say a better supporters now bang. Ebia and then be you and crano nimbe brave ba oba and why na ebia who ya oh we there and I we mo there be ye bobo mo there and obi ba on so on cry na ba me kwa sha crowd ni kwa hwe why na and oba why na ebia se be what ni dia na wo hu na oni je.
Okay, that's it. And number 9 no my name is a friend Isaac. Oh, you're very good. And loss in Chairman 17 Jesse. Also, you're very good. But you good. I'm saying teamwork. But individually, Obi want a talent. And a couple and a money team. No. And I think say you good. Young farm and support and my no beboa team.
Hello, hello. Testing mic 1 2. Testing mic 1 2. 1 2 1 2.